I got a lot of great feedback on my question, which is this was showing in the discussing area, being not super new to Agile, but newly practicing it. I'm applying it to a marketing environment rather than traditional software development. So opening my mind to like, I'm taking into account things like culture and environment, and the importance of being collaborative with all the teams so that everything is consistent across platforms. And then of course, with the other questions I got a lot out of, but I don't want to do all the talking. So somebody else chime in.
I think this one applies. How to be comfortable with silence during reviews.
Is that what you guys were practicing?
We were practicing that one.
Ironically, what I learned was, really the importance of talking to other people and collaborating. So it's funny how both of those were kind of on there. But for me, that's really the bigger piece that for a lot of my situation of, making sure it's collaborative, transparent, and communicative throughout.
All right. Awesome. Intermediate group. I love the board. Good job, team. Advance. Talk to us.
We didn't use a board. We didn't do shit.
Hey, beep that out. Hey, Lou, beep.
We just
Stop the recording. Cut.
yeah, we just had a good time. What's going on?
Hey, that's fine. So how did you have a good time? Talk to us.
So Art really led us in the most productive way for our team, and we really talked about a lot of nuances, and really more higher level aspects of Agile. One of the areas we spoke about is transforming business operations into much more of an Agile environment instead of just a development environment. And even at the conference, there was some initial discussions about that. And that's, I think we're starting to see more and more of that spread out to the business and to the operational area. We also spoke about some of the challenges that people are facing with what appears to be some lack of education, knowledge, training, whatever, on teams and even the business and expectations. So there was a lot of much more higher level conversation beyond just what we consider Agile or Scrum teams and development. So that's where we were going.
Beautiful. Thank you, Bill.
My take on it.
Anyone else before we 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you're here for the first time, is there anything that you want to say? First timers.
So thank you so much.
All right,
Yeah, thank you, Julie. It's great to have you in session.
Really glad I joined this meeting. Thank you for having me and looking forward to more sessions and learning more.
Right. All right. So as Nelu mentioned, we do have our Saturday session, right? I mean, our Wednesday session, right, Nelu, coming up? Sorry, got back to next Saturday. Oh, no, we're not going to have a session next Saturday, right, Nelu? Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. So this Wednesday, April the 5th, we're going to have an Agile meetup. And the name of the Agile meetup is Agile in Sales. Why, how, potential challenges and benefits. So if you are interested in hearing about Agile in Sales and someone who has quite an experience in this area, please go ahead and register for free. You will get all the information for this Wednesday and next Wednesday, because it's Eastern. So we're not going to have an Agile meetup. I already canceled the sessions on meetups, and I think we canceled it on our website as well.